generation has one drop.
Weather.
Clima.
2015 Toyota Prius. We're gonna change out the radio. Customer purchased an Android radio. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this dashboard. Get this prise out. No screws. Disconnect the harnesses. The second part is to pop out that bezel around the radio. Again, no special tools required. And it should be 10mm bolt, 4 of them there. Should be ones in the back, but looks like they already took that out. See a bolt down there? They took that out also. It's supposed to have 4 bolts, but they took the bottom ones out. The further down below, there's supposed to be 2 more, but they already got it out. They tried to install it and couldn't do it. So you just simply pry it out, disconnect all the harnesses behind the radio. You gotta put this together. It's a 9-inch Android. You gotta mount it from behind. And you gotta put screws on these corners here to hold it in place.
Limpia.
What? This is Metra's module to enable audio. Just match the colors. Speaker wire is all white, green, purple, gray. Just match the colors. Whatever don't match, don't use.
I need a snake. Pero si esto sale, maricón, what the fuck? ¿Un maricón? Hasta el problem es ¿dónde está? Oh my God. ¿Listo? Claro que sí, pero... Espera. Aquí no hay nada de tapar. La llave.
You gotta tape these up. You gotta cut all this and tape it up.
Tape, el tape.
¿No le pongo crimps?
Crimps, ya, córtale y crimpeale como quieras. Tape, va. Sí.
You have to change the cam settings because it's on high definition cam setting. So code is 8888. Hit OK. Then go to top right corner. There's a reverse cam format right there. You got to choose NTSC. Before it was on AHD, which is high definition one. You should connect that. So it was like that. So let go. So you gotta make sure it's on NTSC format, and this way it'll give you the regular format. Settings, factory settings. There is no module for this radio, so it doesn't show anything, but if it does have it, that's where you're gonna select the module of one of these. This radio didn't come with it, but the backup cam format we had to change it to NTSC. Alright. This is the backup cam integration. Reverse cam. Connect the yellow wire to the accessory wire. We're going to find the reverse cam input.
You didn't know?
In this car, the battery terminal is right here in the trunk, passenger side. Nothing at the front. This is all hybrid module. So if you're looking for battery connection, it's in the trunk, passenger side. For reverse, it's in the kick panel, white 64 pin plug. It's a pin 29 red wire. Here's the reverse. And this purple wire from kick panel, that was a red wire. That's gonna be a reverse trigger that gets connected to the pink wire. Is it real fake?
It's real, not fake. Please tell them do not recommend to take this panel out.
Works. Hold it. Hero.
Telinga?
Mode. Talking. How about telephone? No telephone?
No.
For the steering wheel control, we have connected 3 wires. Let me show you where the wires are.
Wait.
Okay, so we got, that is key 2, key 1, that went to these 2 wires here, the green white and the white wire. On the other side, that is red wire and the green wire right here. That's a key 2, which is a red. Key 1 is green wire.
That shitty job, you guys. You say it?
Right. This radio doesn't have any mount for the radio. Let me say just pressure fit it. bottom panel on. Wait, this one has to go back in first. Okay. So don't forget to put this push button in first. This has to be on face of the radio first in order to put this back in place, because there's a plastic that's pushing the panel out a ways, so it cannot be put in afterwards. So let's see. I need two hands. What a mission. So this panel has to be on here first, and then you can push that in. Venga. Careful, don't break.
Make it rough. Aplasta.
No hit, no hit. This is not it. Okay.
Aplasta.
All right. All in. Beautiful. Let's start it up.
He used to lie, my inspiration has run dry.
Weather.
Clima.